Look at these big SUV. Hey there, car fans. Today, we're checking out the massive road beasts, the 2025 Toyota Sequoia and the 2025 Nissan Armada. Both of these three-road titans bring muscle, space, and fancy features. But which one's gonna make you say, no? And which one's a sweet donut of an SUV? Let's find out. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell like it's dinner time. The 2025 Toyota Sequoia is a full-size SUV that packs a punch with its twin-turbo hybrid engine, making for 137 horsepower. Oh yeah, it's got the power. Whether you go rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, this thing still gets a respectable 20 to 22 mpg combined. But hold on to your wallet, this big boy starts at $62,425 and goes all the way up to $83,915. Yikes! But hey, you get a solid mix of muscle, efficiency, and tech for your hard-earned dough. Now, the 2025 Nissan Armada, this one's bringing for 125 horsepower and some serious size. You can get it in rear-wheel or four-wheel drive, but the MPG takes a bit of a hit at 16 to 18 combined. The good news, it starts at a much lower $56,520, topping out at $79,990. That means more money left over for it. Snacks! It's all about value, baby! The Sequoia has some cool tricks up its sleeve, like a TRD-tuned suspension with Bilstein shocks. Wow, fancy. You also get available heated and ventilated rear seats, and the front seats are heated as standard. Plus, it's got better MPG than the Armada, so you'll stop for snacks less often. Wait, is that a good thing? But hey, the Sequoia ain't perfect. No dash cam like the Armada, and it's over $5,000 more expensive at the base level. Also, the tiny little 8-inch screen on the base model. The Armada laughs at that with its big 12.3-inch display. Now, let's talk about the Armada. This thing gives you standard leather seats while the Sequoia starts with plain old fabric. Plus, it's got that fancy 3D around view monitor so you don't accidentally back into your neighbor's garbage cans again. And with more interior space and a crazy 9.9 inches of ground clearance, this thing is ready to roll over anything in its way. But the Armada isn't all sunshine and donuts. The power liftgate isn't standard, seriously. And while the Sequoia have gear levers we all know and love, the Armada just have buttons in the center console, which Mr. Burns can easily mistake as a trapdoor button. Plus, its max towing capacity is 8,500 pounds, which sounds great until you see the Sequoia pulling a whopping 9,520 pounds. That's like a whole extra car. The Sequoia may not be the newest SUV on the block, but it's still a beast with killer MPG, strong towing, and hybrid efficiency. Too bad it costs more and doesn't give you all the best features right away. The Armada, it's newer, roomier, and comes loaded with cool tech like a dash cam and a fancy 3D camera system. But no massive screen, and its rugged Pro 4X trim doesn't have anything super special. Lame. So which of these big boys is stealing your heart and your parking space? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching.